We are going to take some apps that we use frequently and place them on the dock at the bottom of the screen. This will make them easy to find and access since we'll use them often. Our first step will be to remove the apps that you currently have in the dock if you have any apps in the dock. Don't worry, moving the apps will not delete them from your iPad, it will only remove them from the dock. Choose one of the apps in the dock and press and hold on it. Then drag it out of the dock and remove your finger. Repeat the process with the next app in the dock. And continue this process until all the apps are out of the dock and all you see is the app library. It's possible that you may not see the app library, and that's okay. If you take all of the apps out of the dock, but you still have a few remaining, that's okay. That's because you have a setting on that shows recommended or suggested apps and recently used apps. Don't sweat it. You're fine if you removed all the apps. You'll never be able to remove the recommended, suggested, or recently used apps. Now, swipe in the middle of the screen, type self. When you see an app called self-service appear, press and hold on it, and then drag it to the middle of the dock. If there is a library folder with a variety of apps, place it immediately to the left, but not too far to the left, or the app, the self-service app, may not stay on the dock. If you have trouble placing the app on the dock, try again until the app sticks. You can remove your finger when the app is on the dock. Tap somewhere on the screen where there is no app, or press down in the upper right-hand corner to keep the app where it is and to make the other apps stop jiggling. When you place apps in the dock, if you have a vertical line dividing apps, make sure that you place all apps to the left of that vertical line. Those are the only ones that will stay there permanently. Everything to the right of that vertical line is only temporary. So if you want the apps to be there all the time, which is what we want, then you need to put them to the left of the vertical line. Repeat the process and swipe in the center of the screen. This time, type in Freeform. When you see Freeform appear, press and hold on it and drag it down to the immediate left of the self-service app. When the Freeform app is in the dock, tap somewhere where there are no apps or press done. Swipe in the middle of your screen again. This time, type in Photos. Press and hold, and drag Photos to the immediate right of the Freeform app in the dock. Let go, and tap somewhere on the screen where there is no app or press done. Swipe in the middle of your screen once more. Type Chrome. Press and hold, and drag Chrome to the immediate right of Photos. Tap somewhere where there are no apps or press done. Swipe in the middle of the screen. Type Safari. Press and hold, and drag to the immediate right of Chrome. Press and hold where there are no apps or press done. Swipe in the middle of the screen. Type Translate. I want the app Google Translate, which is not listed here, so I'm going to need to go back to the self-service app. And since I'm done loading all the apps that I can load, I am going to follow the same process to find any other app that I could not download, and you should do the same. Press the self-service app on the far right side in your dock and look for Search beside the magnifying glass. Tap it and then search for Translate. You should see Google Translate. Install it, or if it was on before, reinstall it. When it finishes loading, I should be able to find it by searching for it. I'll swipe in the middle of my screen, type translate, press on it, and drag it down to the left of self-service and to the right of Safari. Then I'll tap somewhere where there are no apps or press done. No matter what screen I'm on, I'll still be able to see the dock, with the exception of the app library screen. So this makes finding these oft-used apps easy and efficient. Take a look at the apps at the bottom of the screen. If you could not pull up any of the apps when you originally searched for them, now is a good time to go back to self-service and search for the apps in self-service to see if you can install them and add them to the dock at the bottom of your screen.